Thomas?
And we're setting up our Christmas tree.
Awesome. You helping Mommy do that?
Yes. You do the rest.
Hey, Jonah, what you doing?
I'm reading these two books.
Yeah?
1, 2,
What are you doing, Lisa?
3. He said I play with the books. Happy New Year.
Glad we're getting some practice in for the new year.
Happy New Year.
We still got about a month or two, month and a half.
Hey, Mommy, I'm recording.
It's recording?
Yes.
You got me and Lisa on there?
Yes.
Okay, Lisa's gonna put the topper on. Everybody, here we go.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay, Lisa!
Yay!
Wait, throw it.
You want me to pick it back up so it looks
No,
like
that's fine.
Alright. Okay, that's good, guys.
And that's the TV.
Oh.
Alright, Thomas, turn it off, buddy.
Turn it off.
Jonah, do you know how to do it?
What are you looking for, Jonah?
I have a picture of Jonah putting an ornament, but not Thomas. Hey, Thomas, put an ornament on the tree so I can take a picture.
Hey, Thomas, how you doing?
Good.
You putting some stuff on there?
Yes, I am. Oh, this is fun.
Hey, Jonah, put another ornament on the tree.
Lisa!
This is not an ornament. Stop playing with that. How about...
This.
Here. This one has your name on it. Why don't you put it on? Okay?
Is it me?
No, but you made it last year. Go ahead, go put it up on the tree. Oh, no, this one has you. Oh, did you break it?
No. You can still put
Here,
it
go put it
together.
on.
You can still put it together. You can still put it together.
Jonah, come on.
I'll present these all by each other. Can I see it? Can I see them?
Your eyes are closed.